Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to fix Trump accounts app notification not working on iPhone. So if you're not receiving alerts about account activity, updates or other notifications from the Trump accounts app, just follow along. First, open the settings app on your iPhone and tap on the notifications section. Find Trump's account in the list of apps and make sure Allow Notifications is turned on. Also enable lock screen, notification center and banners so notifications can appear in all locations. Next, open the Trump accounts app and check if it has its own notification setting. And if it does, make sure your notifications for account updates and important alerts are enabled. After that, check whether focus mode or do not disturb is turned on. If either of these modes is active, they may silence app notifications. You can temporarily disable them from the control center or by going to the settings, then focus. Another thing to check is background app refresh. For that, you need to go to settings, then tap on general and then tap on background app refresh. And you need to make sure it's enabled for the Trump accounts app so it can receive updates in the background. Next, check the App Store to see if there's an update available for the Trump's account app, and installing the latest version can fix notification related bugs. If everything looks correct, restart your iPhone and then test the app again by checking whether new notifications arrive. So that was how to fix Trump's account app notification not working on iPhone. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.